Hello student, good morning. So as you know that our chapter number 10 is running and the name is tens and hundreds. So here are more exercise of this particular chapter. Now in question number 4, what you have to do? Express as meter using decimals. अब फ्रैक्शन को डेसिमल में कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है दैट आई हैव टोट यू एंड आई होप कि आपने उसकी प्रैक्टिस भी की होगी. सो नाउ यहाँ पे हमें क्या रिमेंबर रखना है, क्या याद रखना है? सो द मेन थिंग इज 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीमीटर. प्लीज नोट डाउन एंड प्लीज रिमेंबर 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So how will you write as the fraction? 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. Now इसको हम फ्रैक्शन में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे? सो देयर शुड बी 2 डिजिट आफ्टर डेसिमल बिकॉज देयर आर 2 zeros here. So 0.01 meter because here we have to convert this in this particular meter unit. Okay, so now first A part is 27 centimeter. So for that we are going to use this formula. 1 upon 100 meter means ki 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. So now 27 centimeter, for this we are going to first write this formula. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. Now for the 27 is equal to 27 upon 100 divided by 100 also you can say. So this is the fraction form. Now you know how to convert fractions into decimal form. There should be 2 digit after decimal. So because this is 20, there are 2 zeros here. So 0.27 meter. So the final answer is 27 centimeter is equal to 0.27 meter. Now next is 419 meter. Okay, so this is also in meter, but what we have to convert? First we have to write this formula that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. Now for the next 419 is equal, because you have to write the same digit for the following sum, 419 upon 100. So there should be 2 digit because now you know how to convert fraction form into decimals. So 4.19 meter. So 419 meter is equal to 4.19 meter in decimal form. Now third one is 9 meter and 7 centimeter. So here there are 2 different meter and centimeter units are both included in this C part. So first we have to write the formula of this. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. Now for the 9 meter, because ये 9 meter is remain same because this is the digit about the meter. So 9 meter plus 7 upon 100 meter. So 9 plus 0.07 meter. You can do this addition in rough side also. So the answer will be 9.07 meter. Okay students. So next question is express as kilometer using decimals. Okay, so decimals में we have to write kilometer in decimals. Okay, so for this you have to remember this formula that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So you know na, if we have to measure length then we are going to use meter, centimeter or millimeter. But if we have to measure distance of one cities from another cities, so for that we are going to use kilometer. Means ki long distance if we have to measure then we have to use this particular kilometer, and the formula is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Now in the fraction form how will we write? 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Means ki 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Now fraction को आपको decimals में कैसे convert करना है? You know ना, here there are 3 zeros, means there should be 3 digit after decimal point. So 1, 2 and 3, here these 3 zeros, so there should be 3 digit after decimal points, means ki 0.001 kilometer. Okay, so now for this particular A, B and C digits and sums, you have to express them into kilometer using decimals form, but you have to use this formula for this following sums. Now 6 meter. Okay, so now first you have to write 1 meter is equal to this formula, you have to write down here. 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Okay, so for 6 meter is equal to 6 upon 1000. Okay, so 6 meter is equal to, there should be 3 digit after decimal points, and this 0.006 kilometer, because now you know that how to convert fractions into decimals form. So there are 3 zeros, so there should be 3 digit after this decimal point, so the answer will be 0.006 kilometer, because we have to here convert them into kilometer. Now 8888 meter. Okay, so first again we have to write the formula of this. 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So for this you have to write this digit here, is equal to 1000. Okay, so there should be 3 digit after decimal point. So what will be the final answer? 8.888 kilometer. Okay, 8888 meter is equal to 8.888 kilometer. And for the decimal reading, how will you read? 8.888 kilometer. Okay, now last 70 kilometer 5 meter. So here you notice now 70 digit is in kilometer unit, so kilometer will be same, kilometer digit will be remain the same. So first you have to write the formula. Students, don't forget to write the formula of the following sums, because आपको जिसमें कन्वर्ट करना है उसका जो फॉर्मूला है आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा. मतलब अगर सेंटीमीटर को मीटर में है तो आपको वो याद रखना पड़ेगा, और यहाँ पे हमें मीटर का किलोमीटर में हमें कन्वर्ट करना है, सो ये पर्टिकुलर फॉर्मूला आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा. नाउ 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 1000 किलोमीटर. सो नाउ 70 किलोमीटर, क्योंकि ये किलोमीटर में ही है, सो किलोमीटर विल बी सेम. 70 किलोमीटर प्लस 5 मीटर है. अब मीटर को हमें क्या करना है? किलोमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है. वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट मीटर इनटू किलोमीटर. सो फॉर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू यूज 5 अपॉन 1000 किलोमीटर. ओके, सो ये अगर फ्रैक्शन में है तो इसको डेसिमल में पहले चलो कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं कि देयर शुड बी 3 डिजिट. सो 0.005 किलोमीटर. ओके, प्लस ये तो किलोमीटर में है ही आपके पास, सो 70 किलोमीटर को हम, अब आप इसका जो एडिशन है वो आप रफ साइड में, रफ वर्क में या साइड में कर सकते हो, या तो फिर डायरेक्टली भी आप कर सकते हो. दैट फाइनल आंसर विल बी 70.005. अगर आपका इसको एडिशन करना है ना तो भी आप इसको एडिशन ऐसे कर सकते हो कि 70.000 प्लस 005 और ये भी है 0. सो द आंसर विल बी रिमेन द सेम. एडिशन भी आप कर सकते हो फॉर डबल श्योर. 70.005 किलोमीटर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, now in the next exercise you have to do add the following. एडिशन आपको करना है, but as you can see these are the decimal number and decimal form. Okay, so there are two types of decimal, मतलब कि two types of decimals are there, like decimals and unlike decimals. So what is like and unlike? So for example there here you can see this is 2 digits. Okay, here this is 2 digit after decimal, and here after decimal there are 3 digit. Okay, so this is called unlike decimals. means कि decimal के बाद अगर equal इक्वल डिजिट के नंबर है, सो दैट इज लाइक डेसिमल्स। अगर डेसिमल पॉइंट में डिफरेंस हो, डेसिमल पॉइंट में डिजिट नंबर में डिफरेंस हो, डिजिट के जो नंबर है टोटल काउंटिंग उसमें डिफरेंस हो, so that is unlike fraction, unlike decimals. So here you can see the example 305.2. Here after decimal 1 digit, here after decimal 2 digit, and here after decimal 3 digits. So this is the example of unlike decimals. मतलब कि unlike decimals मतलब कि डिजिट के बाद डेसिमल के बाद सेम नंबर की डिजिट नहीं है, डिजिट में जो है वो डिफरेंस है। और अगर सेम नंबर की हो, सिमिलर ही हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 7.8 and 6.8. So after decimal, as you can see here, 1 digits are there. So this is the example of like decimal. So now back to the point, what we have to do, we have to add the following decimals in addition forms. So now first one is 9.04 plus 3.218. Okay, आपको इसमें रीडिंग भी करनी है डेसिमल फॉर्म में, और दैट आई हैव टॉट यू। तो फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू राइट 9.04 and 3.218. So 3.21. Now here there are 3 digits and in first example there are 2 digits. So in first example we have to put 0 to make them like decimals. Okay, अगर आपको like decimal बनाना है ना, so there should be equal decimal digit numbers in this particular sum. So 2, 1 and 8. So now this is the example of like decimals. मतलब कि एकदम जो है यहाँ पे 3 डिजिट यहाँ पे है आफ्टर डेसिमल, और यहाँ पे भी 3 इक्वल डिजिट्स आर देयर आफ्टर डेसिमल. नाउ यू हैव टू प्लस एडिशन, यू नो ना, 0 and 8 8, 4 and 1 5, 0 2 2. Point decimal we are going to use them in particular decimal place. 9 plus 3 12. So the final answer is 12.258. Okay, now let's see the second example. This is the also example of unlike decimal. 1 digit after decimal, 2 digit after decimal and 3 digit after decimal. So again we are going to put 0 to make them in like decimal form. So 305 point. Maximum digits after decimals are 3 because here 3 digits are there, here 2 digit and here 1 digit after decimal. So the maximum number after decimal is 3 digits. Okay, so I'll put, because here after decimal there is 1 digit, so 2 more 0 I'll going to use. So this is 3 digit after decimal and here 3 digits I am going to make. Now second one is 7.290. 7.290. Okay, so here you can see this is the 2 digit example and here I am going to put 1 more 0 to make them in like decimal. Now third one is 0.645. Now you have to do plus, add them, 005, 094, 9 and 4 13, 1 carry forward, 1 and 2 3, 3 and 2 5, 5 and 6 11, 1 I'll do carry forward, 1 and 5 6, 6 and 7 13, 13 ka 3 and 1 I am going to carry forward, 1 0 1 and 3. In the decimal form you have to keep this decimal in this particular place. जहाँ पे डेसिमल है वहाँ पे आपको डेसिमल जो है वो प्लेस आउट करना ही है. ओके, नाउ थर्ड वन इज, here also you can see the example of unlike decimals because this is 1 digit after decimal. Here no decimal digit because 8 kilometer is written only. There is no decimal point or decimal digit, and here you can see there are 3 digits after decimals. So this is the example of unlike decimals that we have to convert them into like decimals. So how we are going to use? Maximum digit numbers are after decimals is 3. So 2.500. After decimal there should be 3 digits in all the number. Now 8. So 8.000 because we have to make them in like decimals. Now third one is 7.459. Okay, 009 5, 9. Decimal points we are going to place them in the same place. 2 and 8, 10, 10 and 7, 17. So the answer is 17.959. Okay students. So here in the next question you have to subtract the following. As you can see here the subtraction sums are also in decimal forms, and now you know there are two types of decimals, like decimals and unlike decimals. So first one is after decimal point there are 3 digits, and here also after decimal points there are 3 digits. So this is the example of like decimals, so we have to subtract them. Let's start. 5.214 minus 0 decimals place we have to put dot 0.068. So we have to subtract them. 4 minus 8 not possible, we are going to make them 14, or we have to subtract them. 14 minus 8 6. 0 minus 6 not possible, we have to make them 10, we have to cut down. 10 6 14 4. 1 minus 0 1. 5 minus 0 5. So the final answer is 5.146. Now next, here you can see after decimal there are 2 digits, and here you can see after decimal there are 3 digits. So this is the example of unlike decimals, and we have to make them in like decimals form. So for that we are going to use 17.810, because maximum number of decimal digits are 3, 1, 2 and 3, and here there are 2 digits 1 and 2. So we have to take the help of 0 number. Okay, now 12, we have to decimal point in decimal place. 4 6 and 8. So 4 6 and 8. 0 minus 8 not possible. 10 we have to cut. 10 8 2. 10 minus 8 2. 0 6 not possible again. So and we have to cut down. 10 minus 6 4. 7 minus 4 3. Decimal point, decimal point, decimal point. 7 minus 2 5. 1 minus 1 0. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप कि आपको एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन के डेसिमल फॉर्म में कैसे आपको उसको कन्वर्ट करना है, और लाइक डेसिमल्स अनलाइक डेसिमल्स के बारे में आई होप कि आपको समझ में आया हो। नाउ इसके रिलेटेड जो है एक्सरसाइज में आपको होमवर्क में आपको और ज़्यादा करने के लिए भेजूंगी, जो कि आपको खुद से करनी है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, बाय बाय।